Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low.
What's good? What's good? It's your girl Diva B, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you all how to do 5 straight back braids using the Janet Collection braiding hair. The good thing about this hair is that it already comes pre-stretched, is antibacterial, antifungal, and also itch-free. Okay, so I've already sectioned off for my first feed-in braid, and the struggle is real when parting straight for straight braids, okay? You want to make sure that the section that you're about to begin your feed-in braid on is thoroughly saturated. That will help the cleanliness and the crispness of the braid itself. Consistency. One of these days I'm going to perfect stitching. I'm going to perfect it. I want to stitch braids so bad, but I could always start it off nice and then it just, I don't know. I'm just cutting off loose ends right here. I'm going back over my client's edges with more of the Design Essentials Sleek Edge Control. Okay, and then afterwards I'm going to jump on to adding gel to her edges as well. And this is to harden the edges, one, and two, get rid of the whiteness on the edges. All right, so going into the foam wrap, and you all, everything that I'm mentioning in this video is in the description box, okay? So if you want to know anything about the products in this video, please read the description box. There's the black wrap to hold the edges down, and also the flyaways in the front for when my client gets under the dryer. Dipping her edges in the hot water. Oh my gosh, not edges. I'm dipping the ends of her hair in the hot water. I'm like, edges. All right, and there you all have it. 5 straight back braids. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Love you all.